Good morning, big kids. Today's pretty much the first day in a long time that I don't need the trailer for customer pickup and deliveries. So, finally, get to ditch this thing for a little while and not have to see it at the shop, not have to work around it, that's one more customer spot available at the shop. So, I'll make that a VIP spot. Come on in, say you want the VIP parking. Oh, I'll set you up real nice. FedEx just left this morning, and I got a tire. This tire, I'm trading this motorcycle tire, this Michelin motorcycle tire, brand new tire. Trading that for a snowmobile, a little older snowmobile, but a successful deal if I do say so myself. Hasn't happened just yet, I guess. I don't have the snowmobile, and this is just a like a verbal agreement right now. So I might have brand new Michelin tire for sale, but I think it's gonna go through. I think it's gonna work out just fine. Short list of phone calls today, so that's good. Burn through this list, make sure everybody gets the info that they need here. Hey Carl, Doug, Big Kid Powersports, how you doing? Hey Mark, Doug, Big Kid Powersports, just returning your call here about the Fusion. Hey Nick, Doug, Big Kid Powersports, just returning your call here about that SUV we've got. Alright. All done there. Sounds like we got a little 120 up for sale. Oh yeah. Look at that. It's a beauty. It's gonna make some little kid super happy. Mom, dad, uncle, aunt, grandpa. This is definitely a grandpa thing. Grandpa, buy your kid a 120. It's a good idea. I think winter's going to take one more swing at us here. I mean, it's not like it's going to deliver anything. It's just going to be angry. Drop some chill on us. Doors were all open all day today. Switched out of my winter jacket. Poof! Start to see my breath again around here. Close it back up, get back into the cave. And yeah, wait it out, because it's not spring just yet. Some of you guys haven't seen that. Is that not the coolest little toy ever? Little Chrysler Snow Runner. I had two of those, 2.5. But most of you guys know that, but some of y'all weren't paying attention. And yeah, I guess I'm gonna have them for a little bit while here now too, because you didn't ride those in the summer. Those is not a summer toy. That's a hang in your garage toy right now. So maybe I'll sell that to some old timer that's got some memories of them, wants to hang them up in the rafters. You have the girl version of the hoodie on.
Yeah.
Is that extra small?
No.
We got a customer in Russia asking a question on eBay. I don't speak Russian, but Google Translate does. Finishing up the day today, making sure I've got everything in order in service here. Making sure I'm not dropping the ball on parts, pretty much everything. We've got stuff getting picked up, stuff that needs to get parted, mixing and mingling with customer machines. Some fresh stuff that came in, some stuff that's waiting to get picked up, some parts, waiting on some parts for some stuff, but all in all, everything's ordered up and looking good there. So that's good. Stuff got cleaned up over here today. Kevin and Zach tackled this area was chaotic. That's pretty crazy over there. There's a motorcycle and a snowmobile pretty much in that pile. So that's next on the list. Get that stuff dialed in, figured out, and get it the heck out of here, make some money. Speaking of money, someone clicked the switch on sled season, so we're gonna fall into a little gray area here, and things are gonna get a little bumpy for a half a second until summer kicks in, spring. So nothing that we're not ready for, so that's fine. It's just the highs and lows of business. That's what that is. Seasonal business. You wouldn't think of it that way because Powersports are an all-year thing. But with the seasons, some machines are better than others. Some seasons are shorter than others. This was not the best sled season, but we had local snow, which opened our trails for a little bit, and that's what makes things go from crazy to buckle your seatbelt. It's going to get insane in here. And then, so yeah, we had crazy, then we had insanity, and then we have today, where the phone barely rang. We went from like 15 voice messages every morning to 2. We had 2 voicemails today to return. So it's a nice little break, but I would rather have it spread out a little bit here. And yeah, I would like it a little consistency, but that's not how it works, so you can't cry over that, you know, right? Peace! I'm out of here. Make sure you subscribe. I'll see you tomorrow. Ah, shit. I gotta go back in. I got the shop phone on me. Oops.